Good morning, sir.
This is S.P. Javadkar from Creative English School, B.Ed Road, Nipani, Chhatrapati Sambhaji. Students, we are learning mathematics of standard 9 and the name of the unit, bit. I have already, name of the chapter I have already told you, that is surface area and volume. So different surface area volume we have done. That of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. But today you should pay the attention. So today we are learning about the sphere. This is sphere, complete sphere. This is also sphere. ये मट्टी का मैंने बनाया भी. So tomorrow you have to make the practical कि that ऐसी तरह से घर से colored मट्टी का एक sphere बना के लाने का. So this is complete sphere. Okay. So these two spheres are kept over here. Okay. So you have understood this. Here we have surface area of sphere. Complete sphere means area of this portion. Suppose we start from this. This is complete, outer side ka complete area. That is called surface area of sphere. And what is the formula for 10 times? Every formula 4 pi r square. So r is suppose 7. Very easily you can find out. Surface area sphere equal to 4 pi r square. 4 is to 4. So now, what is the volume of 22 pi?
22.
Very good. 22 upon 7. Why we have taken? Because the r is divisible by 7. Because r itself is a 7, 14, 21. If it is in multiple of 7. So, r square is 7 square. No sign is supposed to be given here. So because the formula get over here. So this is 1. 4 is to 4. 22 upon 7. 7 square means 7 should be twice be written. दो बार लिखने का. So this 7 that 7 get cancelled. Okay. 4 into 22 upon 7. 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14 and this one is 50. So we got 154 multiplied by 4. 4 4 the 16. Carry how much? Single. Carry means हाथचा किती आला का भाई? एक आला 1. 4 5 the 20 and this one is 21. Carry Shipandar 2, correct. 4 1s are 4 and 2 means 6. So there is no unit to the 7. So it is to be called that is square unit. And if meter would have been given, we might have written. Semi-sphere means half of the sphere. इसका पूरे का 4 pi square है. तो आधे का उसका आधा हो जाएगा. 4 का आधा क्या है? 2. Very good. 2 pi means 22 upon 7. R means 7 square. 2 into 22 upon 7. 7 square means 7 into 7. This get cancelled. And again the same. This इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन अपन ने निकाला था. That comes 154. And to make the double of it, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, means that is 2 1s are 2 and this 3. Square unit. Because no unit is mentioned here. कोई यूनिट नहीं दिया है, इसलिए उसको वहाँ पर स्क्वायर यूनिट. Next, about the volume. But in case of the volume, 4 upon 3 is okay. But here we cannot take, we can take 32 upon 7. And here our radius is 7. Therefore it is 7's cube. What is this? 7's cube. 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7. 7's cube is how many times 7 should be written? उसके सर के ऊपर 3 है तो 3 टाइम्स लिखने का, 4 है तो 4 टाइम्स लिखने का, 5 है तो 5 टाइम्स लिखने का. ध्यान समझ में आया बेटा? So this 7 get cancelled. अभी 4 upon 3 means क्या होता है? That we can see later. इसका कितना होता है? 154 into 7. 4 upon 3 157 का अपन ने किया था 157 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 किया था. अभी 157 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 करेंगे. तो काउंट द टेबल ऑफ 7 अप टू 4. सुनो 4 35 and this 2 is 37. Carry 3. 7 ones are 7 and this 3 means what? 10. Okay. So this we got 1078. But what about this? ये तो फ्रैक्शन में है तो ये डिविजिबल नहीं है. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are नहीं होता 3 से डिवीजन. तो इसको ऐसा फ्रैक्शन में लेने का. How 4 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. Down 0 and 3 3s are 9. Again 1 0. 3 3s are 9. That goes more and more. तो इसको फिर क्या करेगा? 1.33 and multiplied by 1078. जो भी आएगा it is cubic unit. Because for volume we write cubic unit. So in this manner we have learned surface area of sphere, surface area of semi-sphere, आधा sphere तो उसका आधा फार्मूला, and volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume है तो cube भी लेंगे. Okay. So in this manner we have completed the 3 items. Last item I'll take the next page. Thank you. Copy.